Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going for shopping for my different skincare products, and I thought that I will make a video on that and I will tell you what products are really good and what are not. So I'm going to Eurovestine, but first I'm gonna do some grocery shopping for myself. Eurovestine is a pharmaceutical brand, so I'm just gonna explore the different skincare products there. And also I will be telling you guys in this video what is the formulation of these skincare and whether you should buy this product. Alright, I'm going to Eurovestine right now and I'm going to be checking out different products from Eurovestine and what are the different creams present. So I hope you will stick till the very end and watch what are the creams that I'm suggesting and what am I actually personally buying. Alright, so I am here in La ROCHE-POSAY collection, and this is the first moisturizer. It is for the face as well as body. I absolutely love it. The formulation is quite simple. It is without any perfume and it is just wonderful. It has niacinamide as well and it is perfect for the dry skin type. But yeah, the ingredients are quite full of emollients, so you need to be very careful because in the summertime you might not really like it, but yeah, for the winter it's the best moisturizer. And this is anti-irritation. It's a shower gel basically, so if you can see, it's a shower gel. So for the ingredients, I don't see any sort of perfume in it, and it has a bacterial ferment which actually helps with the hydration purpose, but it is in a very less percentage, so it is like really good one if you really want to try it out. Very gentle and perfect. It's such an amazing formulation, but when I saw it properly, it has perfume in it in a very higher percentage. Please don't buy it. It's not really good for all skin type. If the perfume wouldn't have been here, then probably I would have liked this one. This product seems very interesting. So then for this one, La ROCHE-POSAY vitamin B5 serum. So yeah, it is one of the hyped product, and right now I'm gonna see the ingredients for it. So this is how the packaging looks like. I am quite curious where are the ingredients so that I can show you. Alright, I at last found the ingredients. Over here it has high amount of denatured alcohol, which is very bad for especially the skin of color. And over here you see it's a perfume infused serum, which is not really good. A number one cause of contact dermatitis, as perfume in the skincare will not show the effects right after you apply it. It will show after the consequent use for years of any such product which has high amount of perfume or small amount of perfume. So I try to tell people to avoid it. If you are actually planning to buy this, then I would not recommend this one. It has perfume and denatured alcohol. Super bad and super drying for the skin. Then I'm going to be talking about this retinol B3 serum, which is for the anti-aging purposes. Over here you can see that it has alcohol denatured, again in a higher percentage. It also has niacinamide, absolutely good for all skin types, helps in anti-aging purposes, reducing the fine lines and the spot treatment, and it has perfume in the end. Again, a big disappointment if you are buying it. Oh my god, why the formulation is always with the perfume. Next serum is a pure vitamin C10, and it is for the skin radiance and antioxidant. So over here also it has alcohol denatured as well as fragrance, but I really like the formulation if there was no alcohol denatured. Actually it is for acting as a stabilizer in some skincare, but it's not really good for skin of color, as it can trigger the melanocytes and lead to extra production of the melanin, which can cause hyperpigmentation. So if you're a skin of color, please avoid this. For the Caucasian skin type, I would still say it has fragrance, which can in future lead to contact dermatitis. I even tried to check the ingredient list of niacinamide 10. It has denatured alcohol as well as perfume. So is it the same with this one, Effeclair Isobiome. Also has perfume, and Effeclair Concentrated Serum also has denatured alcohol as well as perfume. just not really good formulation in general. So it's time for the sunscreen now, and I just want to go through the ingredient list. Over here it has denatured alcohol, and after that it has fragrance, a big no-no. It doesn't have any sort of zinc oxide or else iron oxide, which can actually have a protection against the UVB and UVA rays of the sun. A big disappointment again. Oh my god. I think in all of these I actually love this one, and I'm gonna purchase only this one. After a long search I found this cream, and this is the Toleraine Night Repair Moisturizer. And when you see the ingredients, it doesn't have any sort of perfume or denatured alcohol, and every other ingredient is really good for Caucasian skin type. I doubt if you would be really working well with skin of color, but I would prefer this one for more of a Caucasian skin type. Absolutely love this product. Nice one. So I came across this amazing physical sunscreen, and it is Neo Startup. And over here you can see that there is high amount of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Absolutely love this formulation, but there is no fragrance, which is another plus for all the skin of color people. So let's see if this works really well. So over here we saw that there are iron oxides, but in a lesser percentage, but higher percentage of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide will have an amazing protection against the UV rays of the sun. So I'm gonna give it a try. So another product that I absolutely love is Cicaplast, and this is B5+ with the pentanol and metacasoside. And just a second, when you look at the ingredient list, you can see that in the higher concentration there is all emollients, that is shea butter, pentanol, which will moisturize and help the water to remain on the skin barrier. There is metacasoside, and then there is titanium dioxide. Absolutely love the moisturizing cream. I'm definitely gonna buy it. Right now I was going through the ingredients of the Bioderm 50+ sunscreen, and I saw that it has titanium dioxide and iron oxide. Absolutely loving this formulation. Will definitely buy it for myself.
All these products I'm gonna buy it, not she will not buy it herself. I will gonna buy it.